Today I'm going to show you how to refinish an old wood burning stove. So first step is I need to get off all of the rust, and what you can use is this little brush. It's just an attachment that you can put on your drill, and they come in all different sizes. So I'm gonna scrape all of the rust off of this, and then I will need to sweep out the inside and all the dust and everything. Kind of hard to see, but there is some dust in there. And then I will move to polishing. Halfway done. So I started with this side, I did the back, and then I came to the front here and did half of the front so that you can tell the difference of what the wire brush, the work that it's actually doing. Okay, I finished with taking off all of the rust. 100 times better, and now I'm going to vacuum it out and see if I can clean it up a bit before I move to polishing. Okay, so I vacuumed everything out of this, cleaned it up, dusted it off a little bit, and now I'm using a stove polish. So this is the one I found. We have a couple of these. So yeah, I'm gonna try that out with a rag, and we're gonna see how it goes. All right, so I got most of it polished. Basically the body, I still have to do the legs, and I still have to do this top part. Kind of hard to tell, it's a little cloudy, but once I show you the before and after, you are going to be so amazed. I mean, it's literally gonna blow your mind. It looks so amazing. All right, here it is, all polished. It looks so good compared to what it used to look like. This is the back. Close up. Okay, so I'm all done polishing and everything the stove. So now I'm going to use this to fill in a couple of the cracks that we have on the exterior. Resist temperatures up to 2000. Great. So yes, I'm going to fill this in. It's black, as you can see, and then I'm going to let it dry, and then we should be good to go, I think. I think this is the last step that I need to do. And before I put this on, since I did polish it and buff it afterwards, I am going to wipe away with water. I think you can also use just like soap and warm water, just to get the area clean so that there isn't any like grease or dust or anything, so that this adheres to the stove. Okay, so back here is where I had to caulk the little cracks. So you can see here, and then all under here, and the same right here. And then it looks like before they previously had it caulked here, so I just went over to make it smooth because part of theirs was missing. But that's it. So those are just the little areas right here that I caulked, and it's black. And if I need to, if it looks splotchy, I'll go over slightly with a little bit of polish, just to cover it up a little bit.